Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to check a couple of accessories for the DJI digital FPV goggles. The accessories that I'm about to show you are compatible with both V1 and V2 versions, and since I've been testing them for almost 2 months, I'm going to provide you with a relatively long-term feedback. The first product is from VRWave. As implied by its name, this company mainly manufactures prescription lenses for virtual reality systems like the Oculus Rift and similar products, and recently they've added to their line of products prescription lenses for the DJI digital system. When placing an order, you'll need to provide them with your lenses prescription, which you can obtain from your optometrist, and you can add blue light filter and anti-glare coating options for reducing blue light and for improving the clarity of the perceived image. In terms of packaging, the VRWave prescription lenses come well protected inside this compact storage case, and along with the lenses you're getting the lenses prescription card, a cleaning cloth, and 2 cleaning wipes. Here is a close look of the VRWave prescription lens. It is very light, and as far as I can tell, its frame is made out of coated aluminum. On its bottom side, you can find an indication whether it's the right or left prescription lens, and it's important to note it because it needs to face down when installing it inside the goggles. In order to install it inside your goggles, first make sure that the lens is centered, and then simply press it in the following manner and make sure not to scratch your DJI goggles lens. It might be hard to see, but the prescription lenses fit the DJI lenses perfectly, and they are not going to interfere with the IPD adjustment. Overall, after using the VRWave prescription lenses for about 2.5 months, I can tell you that I'm very pleased with their quality and image clarity. They double act as lens protectors, which is a nice add-on, and even though the DJI goggles can be used along with prescription lenses, I find the goggles more comfortable to use without them. And I think that the main downside is probably their price, because in case you are going to max them out and get the additional add-ons, they are going to be well over $100, including worldwide shipping. But in case you've already invested in this not very cheap set of FPV goggles and you'd like to improve your experience in case you are wearing prescription glasses, this is definitely something that in my opinion you should consider getting. The second product is the D2A FPV Analog Adapter. This product features a FETSHA-compatible video receiver module bay and will enable you to use the DJI goggles with your analog video transmission systems. In terms of packaging, inside the box along with the adapter, you are getting screws for attaching the adapters to your goggles and AV and power cables, and you should note that a FETSHA receiver is not included, so it's something that you'll need to purchase separately. In terms of features and specs, on the right side of the adapter you can find 2 3.5mm ports. The top one is the video out port, which using the provided cable is used for connecting the adapter to the video in port of the goggles, and the bottom one is an audio out port, which will enable you to connect a set of headphones to the adapter, and in case your VTX supports it, listen to the transmitted audio. On the center you can find a barrel plug, which is used for powering it up. The working voltage of the adapter is between 7.4 to 17.6 volts, so you can power it directly with between 2 to 4 LiPo batteries. In addition, the D2A adapter weighs 30.5 grams, and in order to install it on your goggles, you will need to remove its faceplate and mount it using the 2 provided M2 screws. As for using the D2A adapter, it is completely identical to this adapter which I've previously reviewed, and if you'd like to learn more about it, you can check out my review over here. And I think that the main advantage of this product is that it is a pretty elegant solution for adding an analog video receiver, but it won't enable you to use a third-party antenna. So I would recommend getting this type of adapter, which is cheaper, in case you are looking for an analog solution for the DJI goggles. The next product is by Node FPV. This headstrap, which is available in a couple of designs, is going to add a personal touch to your goggles, but most important, in my opinion, is going to make them more comfortable. At first, it took me a couple of days to adjust to this new headstrap, but after using it for quite a while now, I can tell you that since it features wider straps in comparison to the original headstrap, it helps to distribute the weight of the goggles more evenly on your head, which makes them more comfortable. In addition, it features this strap which can accommodate the battery of the goggles, and it is going to reduce the chances of the battery being disconnected from the goggles, which can be quite a pain in case it happens in the middle of the flight. Personally, I prefer to put the battery inside my pocket and just be extra careful because I don't like the extra weight on my head, but it's up to you whether you'd like to use it or not. Last but not least, I've also tested a replacement foam for the goggles. It is thicker and cheaper than the original replacement foam by DJI, and in comparison to the original one, it reduced the light leakage, which is a major advantage, and in my opinion, it is also more comfortable. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video, and of course, the links to the products that I showed you in this video can be found down below. I wish you all happy and comfortable flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.